Hi there, it's Amira with WTI. I'm always on the lookout for lotions that smell good, moisturize, and leave my skin glowing. And this one is actually really good. This is the Rose Water and Jasmine Shea Butter Lotion. It's one of the lotions that I like to use when I don't want to use perfumes. I like to apply just a little bit on my hands as it has a strong scent. A little bit of lotion is enough. And the skin smells good all day long. My hands stay shiny and soft and I really love it. So if you're looking for a lotion with a strong scent, if you don't want to wear perfumes and you just want a lotion, this one is perfect. I really recommend this one. This is the Rose Water and Jasmine Shea Butter Lotion. And because I love it, your skin will look beautiful. It will look moisturized, glowing, smooth. And I really love it, so I really recommend it 100%, and that's my point of view.